Hello everyone, welcome to MBA to Z channel, and this channel is only for the students and the for various consistent researchers. Because when you are getting an percentile in CAT, and then you will be shortlisted in the different IIMs, but you don't know the topic of question, as because AWT and what maybe the things, and G maybe the GD in sort of in placement of AWT and replacement of AWT or what. So GD is not an elimination round, but PI is an elimination round. Okay, so you will not get admission offer after PI if you don't have any concept regarding the PI, and if you don't have any prepare about the PI preparation about the PI. So please prepare about the PI and please go through my only the questions. Okay, only my questions, and you will get automatically get. So today I will discuss about the IIM Rohtak's PI question. That's because IIM Rohtak is one of the critical IIMs in our country. So this is the thing, and you know that questions is difficult. They are questions, and they will give some sort of in frontal question, as because when you they will ask simply in English, but when you will give the answer in Hindi or some sort of your local language, so this is totally bad things in the way. Okay, so first of all, that they will ask some that introduce or brief yourself. Please give me them introduce in 2 to 3 lines. Don't be elaborate about that, as because they don't have any time to listen something like that. Plus if you do in 4 to 5 or 6 lines, automatically they will stop you. So they can ask that without that. So many times I told that without your academic qualification and job experience, you must prepare about that. And without your academic qualification and job experience means that you have already told in the application. So that's why they don't ask in the far future. So then they will ask that why MBA. You must give the answer that MBA is my dream, and why do you want to MBA. That after an MBA I wanted to be a good manager in any industry, whatever you are preferring. Okay, so and so that I can fulfill my cherished dream. Okay, in this way, if you give the answer, you will automatically you will be selected in after 1 and 2 lines. Okay, so no more questions or some sort of no specific question they will ask. But however, I am Rohtak will ask some sort of good questions from your class 10 subject, class 12 subject, that is maybe science, art, commerce, and management, the subject. They will ask some sort of good question, where the basic question they generally ask. So this is the thing. And from the science, they will ask that what are the Newton's first law of motion, what is Reynolds number, what is viscous fluid, and some sort of good things. And you know that from undergraduate specialization, if you have an engineering background, or especially in cases में क्या होता है, if you have an experience of 1 and 2 years, and during 1 or 2 years you have a gap. Okay, and after that you left the job and you are preparing for the MBA. So they will ask that you have left the job, you have given the interview, but if you will not select, then what will do. So you can tell that, you will obviously tell that yes, I am Rohtak is the only my dream, so I want to fulfill my cherished dream in this way. So please give me the admission. I will fulfill my cherished dream if you will give the admission offer to me. So in this way you give the answer, so automatically you will be selected in the examination. Okay, in the after the interview. So this is the thing to understand and to catch the everybody or the interviewer in the interview board. Okay, so this is the thing, and they may ask some sort of mechanical related question, electrical and electronics related question, computer science, civil, ceramic, chemical, metallurgy, and mining related question, whatever your specialization you did. And that science, art, commerce, and medical pharmacy also they will ask some sort of good questions. So this is the basic conceptual question they may ask from that your subject, as because they knows everything, as they are from a management institute, they knows everything. So don't give them bluff answer or wrong answer, so that automatically they will catch you. Okay, so this is the only thing to give them answer, that if you don't know answer, please directly tell them that I don't know, sir. Okay, then they will ask that what is your area of interest, and you know that your area of interest will be tell that that is whether it is financial management or business economics, business analytics, or HR management, or operations. What are the cutting edge operations management, lean management, marketing management, they will generally ask. So you must go through the net, or go through the other books and go through the my videos. Okay, I have told so many times that regarding that, if you don't have any concept regarding, suppose you are a mechanical engineer, you have an experience in a motor company, but you tell that financial management I will be area of interest, or financial management I will be my specialization. So simply they will ask some sort of good question regarding the financial management. What is your last company's turnover? What is the last company's share values today's market? So if you don't give the answer, they will automatically cut from your examination or cut from the admission offer. Okay, so this is the thing. And in case of business economics, business analytics is the STEM courses, the science, technology, engineering, and management courses. They will answer ask some sort of good question. In case of economics, business, they will ask that macroeconomics, demand, supply graph, and they can tell that please show the graph in this way. And you know that in case of goods, in case of economical goods, etc., and etc., they will be asked some sort of question, and you will be there, and they will give that Apple iPod and stylus pen, and you can draw that figure, okay, to draw the graph. So then they will ask a question, what is your desired industry and desired company role, what do you want? So in this way also, whatever you have a work, if you have a work X, then you can tell also that was my desired industry, that is my desired industry, as I am working in this situation in this company, so I want to desire this type of industry. And what are the role, what you do you want the, so role आपको पूछता है कि whether you know about that or not. Okay, that has been CTO, CFO, a chief financial officer, yes, chief technical officer, and COO, that is chief operating officer. This is something like that. Okay, so in this way they are asking, and you know, if you have a good concept regarding that, and if you have a good idea regarding that, you will definitely, you will be benefited, otherwise you will totally be deprived. Okay, so they will ask some sort of good question, and they will puzzle you in case of interview. Okay, and they will go for a brief extempore. They generally give, because IIM Rohtak is a difficult IIM, and during the interview, because if you don't have any concept, or if you don't know that topic about the extempore, you simply tell them that I don't know, sir, please change my topic, and they simply tell you that if you do know that if you want to change the topic, and you will be not revert back to the topic. If you must tell that, you must tell that I don't know, sir, regarding the topic, so please change my topic. And next to next topic, 2-3 chance they will give, and not more than that. So please be aware about that, and please go through that the extempore topics, as because different type of things, financial topics and management topics, safety management topics, as well as economical and the operations and marketing management topics. And then the one of the interviewer, he may be the company CEO or company something like that. If there is any conference or G20, G7 summits are there, you know that you must apply, you know about that, you know that in case of 2020, India is the hosting country of the G20 summits, so they can ask directly from that question. So that is the case study and management solution is there. That's because they will give some sort of case study, whatever you are doing presently, or may not be given this type of case, and that the decision making process, what are the decision will take by you, they will ask that in case of this type of things will happen, or this type of things will occur in future, that in your work, so what you will do. That is the management solution, or the that is the IQ test, basically the IQ test, intelligent question test. So this is the only thing you can do in future. Okay, so and the general knowledge question is that the general knowledge question means I mean that if you have a knowledge that some sort of good thing, that if you are reading some sort of newspaper like Hindustan Time and Times of India about that, please read some sort of thing, as because you have a tremendous time, 1 to 2 months time about that, and you know that cat already given that the response sheet, and 2 questions are eliminated, as because from the slot 2 and slot 3. So that is not the things whatever you are thinking presently, so they will calculate the same things at 195 they will calculate. So that is not the issue, but issue is that you have already aware about that. So if you have aware about, if you already aware about that, please go through that, and please go through the topic also. Okay, so that you will definitely manage everything. So that summer internship related thing, I mean that that previous during undergraduation, whatever you did, or whatever what you did during your masters, that project report you should know about that basically, and the nitty-gritty of the project, the nitty-gritty of the summer internship they want to learn. Okay, so this is the thing. And if you have a work they several time I told that they want to know the what are the key achievement you did in last 2 to 3 years. And another thing is that what are the great achievement, why it is great in according to you. So they will ask this type of question, and this is a very easy question, but 1 to 2 line you can give the answer, otherwise you'll be in big trouble. Where if you give some sort of 1 and 2 to 3 question, 3 to 4 lines, they will ask some sort of question from the key achievements, and you will be totally in trouble, that you know that they are better thinking and they knows better than you everything. Okay, so please share the most challenging and difficult situation and what did you learn. So this is the most important question they will ask, and how the difficult situation could have been avoided in this difficult situation will be there. So this is the basic question they are asking, but however this is a difficult question, you must prepare about that. And please go through my last videos, you will automatically understand everything, and I have told so many things regarding that, and how to do and how to reach that question and how to give the answer. And then they will ask that please share one mistakes from your work ex, if you have a work ex, and which really troubled you, and explain why did it happen and why did you learn from the mistake. So in this question specifically, you be honest when you are giving the answer, and be polite, or don't be rude during the interview, otherwise they will sack. They will sack means they will not take you, because you can, because of good manager you have to keep calm always. Okay, so this is the only way to cope up the situation. And you know that please one mistake of your work ex, and which really traveled that create an hasty environment to you, they want to know. And explain why did it happen, I mean that explain why did it happen and what did you learn from the mistake. They can simply ask a simple question, why did you learn from the mistake, and you can give the answer properly, or what are the remedies and what are the basic things, why did it happen. They really ask that in a single line you can tell that why did it happen, and what did you learn from the mistake, you can tell just 2 lines. Okay, so in this way you can conclude it, and they will conclude, they will tell okay. And you know that they will tell, and you can don't leave the room, they will automatically tell, and then you will go get back from the room. Okay, get up from the chair and please and left the room. Okay, so this is the thing. And you know that I think these type of questions will come, and I have an incredible experience regarding that. So I think that those questions will come, and please go through my questions, so that you will automatically be aware about that, and you know that my questions will come in the interview. Okay, they will ask this type of question. So this is the thing, and you know first. And please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and please share my videos to your friends, those who are giving the interview, as well as the interested in the management, IIM's management, so that they will automatically understand everything. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel, and please watch this video up to the end. Okay, thank you, best of luck for your examination, and best of luck for your interview. Bye, best of luck. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, please subscribe.